Hello, every single one of you beautiful people. Hope that you're having a fantastic day. Hello, William. As you were the first one out there, happy Wednesday, I think it is today. Happy Wednesday. So, hope that every one of you are good. You are still well. Nothing has happened to you, and you're ready for a new trading day. Basically, let's go through the markets, see what's happening, what's out there. All right, cool, let's go. Let's go. Alright, that was enough of the music today, and then hope that you have made sure that you are coming in today with positivity, with laughter, with reasons for why we should talk today. The other thing is, if you have any questions, please ask them. If you're new here, please come and ask. I'm all for you. And then the other thing that I also want us to discuss today is what happened yesterday with the Fed, what happened to the dollar, what's the implication, and then all those things. Is my camera a bit high or something today? I don't know. I feel like... Okay, cool. I guess. Cool. So we can go through Nasdaq first. We are still higher, people. We are still higher. And I posted yesterday this news wrap from Forex Live yesterday, and I hope that you guys saw it and that you read it, because there's a lot of links here. And I think what led the market to be a bit more, let's say, less aggressive, is that we have the like, he wasn't too aggressive on the rate hikes, and he said within July they should be done, June should be done with QE, and we're supposed to be done with in March. So that was kind of like well, we're supposed to be done in March. Why are you saying in June, kind of a thing. So that's why the market fell. So the dollar fell. So yeah, I guess that's life. Nothing we can do about it, all those things. Hello, Festi. CAD Yen. Suhail, we can do CAD Yen. Siva is here. Kilo is here. I've helped you out lately. Ali says, hello, Eivind. And you got the right name. Congratulations, not everyone has done that. So 1 point to you. Boom. Hi, Eivind. How are you? Eivind, thoughts on pound dollar sell, net surf. Hey, thoughts on euro, yen, Aussie dollar, Siva. I am losing on silver. Okay. CAD yen, pound dollar, pound gold, silver, please. Good morning. And hello to who was it? Eivindfx. Okay, cool. I just looked at my phone. Sorry, I can probably pick that up so you can don't look down on you guys. I don't want to look down. And then we have I'm just rushing through my brain. I do apologize if there's if anything off topic comes in and I talk about off topic things. Please just haul me into, let's say, so we have a safe word today. Say focus. If you want me to focus and I'm off the charts, sorry. Just tell me to focus. I will focus again. Because I have slept, is it 4 hours? I think it is. So I'm floating. I'm just, whatever comes to my brain, I will forget a lot of things today. But consumer price, CPI, inflation in America is going to be in like 17 minutes. I think so, yeah. Good. Inflation numbers. Come trade with me. Inflation numbers. I think that's okay. Save. Good enough. Good morning, Adjan. Hey, buddy. Net gas. Did you buy it, James? Jamesy. So, we have a lot of requests, different requests. Nobody was Nasdaq. And nobody was S&P 500. So I guess we're just jumping over those. Dollar index is currently falling. And well, it's kind of like a range more than falling or anything. So right now it's kind of like a question mark, and the market is like how do you make those? The market is like I was trying to make them but I can't do that. I'm not good at drawing. So right now we have dollar falling a bit. We had a bit of a retracement this morning. Other than that, not really bullish. I wanted to rise though, but I know I'm trying this level to see if it holds. I am more than enough happy with the pullback, so I just need to go back up again. Hello, Adu. Nat gas. James bought nat gas at 3 point what? 3.5 and 3.6. Good. Please hold. Please continue higher. Are you coming up to the weekly? Oh my. Wow. It come up to target for the week, bro. And you didn't take profit? Okay. Then you can maybe look forward to have everything break even and going up to 4.76. Given the current price is 4.41. So good on you there. Good on you. My phone says there's only 16 people here today. Is that true? And 3 likes. 16 people and 3 likes and 16 people. Is that true? Or is just my phone that is not updating enough? And then we need to probably go to direct chat there. So cool. Okay. So there is that one out of the window. Hello, Denise. Good. So I am getting a bit overwhelmed about how many is chatting right now. So I'm gonna prioritize YouTube members. I'm sorry, and then I'm gonna go through the market. So if any YouTube members is requesting, I will do those first. Sorry, bros. And Adu, you said yen pairs. As to why? No, which direction? Sorry. And then I'm going to do euro in between. I sold euro earlier today. So I guess I'm in loss. So I sold euro USD today with a stop loss of 1.14 something. I don't know, somewhere up here. So if it's 50 pips, so it's probably 4.41, I guess it is. 14.1, something like that. Yeah, so hopefully that one would go in. If not, I am not really great. But yeah, okay, cool. I sold it, so we shall see if that goes. But I don't really trust. I don't believe this bearish dollar is not really. I don't think it's gonna hold. The other one, it's Aussie. I have sold 72, and I'm waiting for 72.30 to be kicked as well, so we can sell that one too. So, okay, cool. Okay, we are. Then my phone is wrong. Okay. Jerome Powell's speech yesterday. What is the impact of the DXY falling? I have already commented on that in the beginning of this live. Please go back. You are in at euro with you, and stop loss it's 114. 14.1. Okay, cool. That's okay. Bullish direction. Okay. So if you are a bull buyer on yen pairs, whoops. Why's my chart so weird? Okay. If you are thinking of buying this one this week's, okay, cool. Then you have your buy zone. It went a bit lower, didn't kick you out, but you have your buy zones here. This is your buy zone, so you need to pop it higher. You need to, I hope that you have some buys in here in Aussie, if you want to do that, and then up there and then see if you can catch it back up again. So right now you just need to wait. It just needs a new break higher and then continuation higher. I am ready to sell here, I do, so be aware of that. You know, because I control the market, you know. I'm the market wizard. So I hope that you sold that bots down here more than anything else. So that is great. That is to the upside, and the target is probably 84.50. CAD yen, way too late. You have to have at least a substantial support coming before you can buy it again. But 92.27 is the target, and then maybe if you can get it back to 91.5, probably something else. And then euro yen is bullish. I don't know if it's bullish. It's bear, but the range to bullish. So a break of these tops here would probably signaling more bullish side. So you have to wait until tomorrow if you can get that, and then do that, and up to 132.22. 132.22. And then New Zealand yen I wouldn't buy if I was a buyer. So the other one, Aussie if it breaks higher, CAD if it comes back to support, Euro yen if it breaks higher, come back to support. New Zealand yen I wouldn't buy. I am currently I'm not selling this one. I sold New Zealand dollar at least. So I'm looking to sell it at 78.40 or 78.60. I don't know, 78.76 as that price says there. Everyone can see that. I don't know if that is going to be the actual, which one is going to get hit, or if anything is going to hit. But I'm just waiting for it to do whatever it wants to do. Maybe I should sell it now, actually. Looks like a good sell point. But just waiting here for you. My New Zealand yen is gonna be great. When you wrote sell Aussie, does that mean that you are shorting at all at that level, or you're sold along there? And when you wrote I wrote at a sold Aussie. And I sold Aussie at what price? 0.72. When it also says the price that I mentioned, I actually sold 72. And I'm looking to sell, I'm a limit order. I have a limit order at 72.30. Let me prove that. I guess I'm in big losses right now, but okay. I'm not trying to show you my count number, but yeah. So here we have, this is Aussie. Everyone can see this is Aussie dollar, 4 hour. I sold 72 as I did, and then I have a limit up here. So that is what it means. So whatever I talk about, I actually do something about. Okay. Yeah. So just keep me posted about CPI. I need to be aware of that, and I am floating today. So please tell me that that it's 1 minute left, and I will try to catch it. I think the most important is to tell me 5 minutes before, so I can start signaling. CPI is important, and I'm not going to hype it up more than it is, but it is the most important indicator today, and that is going to be released for this month. We have NFP, and then we have CPI, which is very important to know what it is going to be. And the market is currently now pricing in lower than expected, I think. But you know, it is what it is, you know. So this bearishness on dollar can be stopped in its tracks, by the way. But maybe they know more than I do. But it's priced in 5.4, so that is humongous CPI, by the way. We can go to pound. Pound, 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 poundy, pound, 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 pound. So, I said yesterday in the daily setups that coming down to like 136 would probably be like a good level to buy. That didn't happen. Sorry, mate. Didn't go well, did it? To buy there, so it didn't come down there. I do apologize. So for the future, this will now be the future support that if it comes down to that level, it might bounce again. So what do I mean? When the market is too strong one day, the next day it might come back down. So Right now, you need to have like a mental support level at 136. Okay, 136 is like, if it comes down there, it's like bye 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 bye. At least look for it. I'm not going to tell you to buy, by the way, but you can look for it at around that level. And target is still 136.70-ish, 79. So we're still like, I don't know, 30 pips up. So it's really late to buy it. But by all means, do whatever you want. I'm not going to make you do anything you don't want to. So if you feel like buying right now, have fun. I'm not going to make you do that, and I'm not going to tell you to do that. But I would say be cautious, because this is a high. Okay. Good. So I don't control what pound dollar does and didn't. If it was shook, I don't know. So right now, the market did what it wants to do. You are making your trade plans no matter what. This is what you think it's a conservative entry. Therefore, because one day it can just make a low and still continue trend. Another one can make a low and just continue trend. Even though it was supposed to hold support, it was supposed to hold support, and it just went boom. Okay, so even though this support here, we can still come down to like 135.80 and still be going higher later on. So be careful out there. Let's see what will happen. How are you, my child? I am today. Well, I am alive. I have a healthy family. I have a healthy wife. If she's healthy, hopefully. And how do I define healthy? I define healthy by not being in hospital. Whatever she eats, that's a different case. Yeah. My TP on New Zealand, on Nasdaq and S&P, probably previous high, more than anything else. Okay, cool. That was pound dollar, and then pound yen. I said yesterday you have two trade plans here. Either let it break higher and then you come back, or it breaks lower and it comes back. And right now it's looking to break higher, and then you just have to wait for the pullback. So it's a break and retest, as Nick talks about a lot of time. I don't know if I like it, because the reason why I don't like it is because that's the buy. I've been talking about that for a long time. But when you have break and retest, which is this one, for example, that might be the top for something. Okay? So this is where you're supposed to fight. This is supposed to where you're supposed to fight, like in these lower levels here, not up there. Core inflation rates coming up in 5 minutes though, 4 minutes now. Okay, so I'm just going to put that one on the side of my face, so we all see. We can all see. Yeah, sånn da. And then I'm going to put it, can I put it here maybe? And then I want to have it higher. Okay, now well, can we have it higher? Anybody? No? Okay. I can do that though, and then that. Cool. So, stop it. There we go. Is that okay? And I'm just gonna. Yeah. How else can I do it without making it go away? Okay, I'll just come back to it then. Yeah, so pound dollar, pound yen, that thing. Still bullish, still going higher, still allowed to go higher, still there, and then target is 158.80 area. Euro, I just did euro. I sold it. I'm waiting for it to fall, and doesn't happen. It's still in a range. If not, I have stop loss about 14. And if not, I'm expecting 115 to be hit, and then we can take it down from 115. Someone in the Discord tried to mentor me, Xavier. Can you send me a screenshot, Xavier? I will be very interested in the screenshot. If it's someone I've already kicked out, or if it's new or old, that would be great. to know. But I would not do names. Okay, good. Who are you? Where are you from? Who are you? I hope for a dollar swing back though. Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you, Evan. You're very much welcome. Okay, cool. So, right now I am in loss on Aussie. Probably break even on a euro. Pound, I haven't done anything. New Zealand dollar, I am in profit because I sold 67.80 level ish. So that was great. So ish in profit there. Also expect 68 level to be hit ish. So good on that. So yeah, what's next? Use the CAD. I know there's a lot of requests. Gold has been asked, be a king twice. I don't know why you should say twice, because I read the chat. So if you say things twice, that's only, not annoying, but that only makes you less value. I will listen to you less if you say things twice, okay? Just saying that. Because I read, use the Swissy, okay. So we have 1 minute until that thing. I will just do that thing. We have CPI coming out, and I want to be on euro, not on Aussie. And then I want to be on gold as well. And the other one is gold. Come on, where's gold? There's gold. And then we do that, and then... Okay, cool. I'm ready. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? This is interesting, actually. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Anyone knows? Does anybody have a faster one than I have? Okay, Xavier will look at it. Yada! 5.5. Better than expected. A month over month? Come on, month over month, come on! $0.6. Alright, cool. Yeah, that should lead to dollar strength. I don't know what the market is mongoing about now, though, but okay. And then dollar continues to fall. Okay, whatever. Whatever. When we come together, Xavi. Can you tell me which group are you in? Are you only... Yeah. So, Xavier, I saw the photo. Can you show me which mutual service you're on? That would be great. Just to see if you have any mutual service, if it's only mine. Yeah. Good. Great news. Great news. So thank you guys for informing me, by the way. Thank you guys for informing me, for keeping me alive. What is it? Year over year, it is 5.5%, and Q4, I think it is. Q over Q, a month over, month over month is 0.6, so that's better than expected. Great. And then price index generally is better than expected, and then consumer price is 7. So okay, that should lead to dollar strength, but there's no guarantee of that because right now it's trying to push lower. So whatever. Yeah. Cool. Did you send me a new Xavier? So it's only that one. Okay, so I need to find them. So, sorry people, I need to find that person. I'm gonna kick your ass, alright? What's his name? I'm gonna... Okay. Weirdo. But okay, mountain... Anyone, I guess? User, maybe? Search for... User... I don't know why. I can't see anything. Have I already kicked him? I can't find him, bro. Xavier? Have I already kicked him out? No. Mountain. So this is 11. This is yesterday. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Literally can't find anything. But okay. Let's see if it's coming in lately though. If it was yesterday. Maybe it's changed. Has it changed since he came in, maybe? Okay, I found him now. Sorry, people. Yeah, for me, I can't kick him. He's no longer in the Discord. Okay. Alright. He's no longer in my Discord, so I can't kick him. So thank you, Xavi. Thank you very much. But okay. I'm trying to understand why it would why dollar would fall. Bia King is still asking about gold. I have my own reasons for why I do things, but okay. I can do gold. What do you mean? What do you want to do on gold, bro? Since you are insisting. So for those who were there yesterday, I'm gonna find it actually. For those who were there yesterday, and then you can answer my question as to that was yesterday. If you want to go dollar high, dollar low, whatever. Okay, and then why do I have ads, bro? Harold, why do I have ads? Why do I hate myself so much? Why do I hate my life so much? Okay, so somewhere. I said this yesterday, people. I made that trade plan yesterday, literally. Okay? That is your buy level, right? Like that. So that's what I hope for, at least on gold, later on as well. So right now on gold, back to support. I made a trade plan yesterday about going higher and then coming back to support. We haven't done that yet, though we're coming into the markets right now, and we're coming into New York. So I'm just expecting this one to be like that. So that's what I hope for, at least. So that was yesterday, people, and then today, that happened. That is this level here. So what else do you want? I don't know. The trade plan was yesterday, and then that, and then if you're going to do today, we're going to do that maybe if you're bullish. Sorry. So not really right now. It's kind of like in between. It's a bit high. It's not really low, and it's not really where I want it to be. So that was the buy, and now it's maybe a buy here, but it's coming very close to resistance. So in my view, you can just do that. So if I was in that position, I would have fought to get that one, and then now I just need to relax and not be so aggressive here. Dollar is dripping. Okay. Shoot. Okay. Didn't see that one coming. I didn't see that one coming. It's not fun to be live here when that happens. Wow. Almost target on the week on pound though, but yada. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, that is what it is, I guess. Can't do anything about it. But Euro USD has now finally broken out of the range, and is probably expecting to continue higher now. So for those who loves me looking at stop losses, I will hit it soon. Fantastic, what do you call it? Fantastic, successful forex trader. That's what you're looking at right now. Okay, what should we go through now? I kind of like just want to do something else right now, but it is what it is, I guess. As long as you live, I guess. S&P target, previous high 48 or 16,500. USD Swiss, that's an interesting thing we can look at instead of looking at all the losses. Yeah. Shell. Cool. Isn't it fun? Okay. USD Swiss, I was having like bullish thoughts on it. I hope that it would go higher, and it hit target for the week, and now we are going downtown. Is there anything that is alive right now on my account? How much is the loss though? Holy guacamole. Good night. Use this way, say, I hope for it to go higher. It stopped at 92.80, which is the natural target for the week. Now it's coming down hard. Yeah, stop there on euro. Still have Aussie and euro left. Yeah. Isn't it fantastic? So really right now, the question becomes, where does it go up from? Is it at 91 or is it 94? So right now you can't sell. You could have maybe have sold it earlier today if you felt like really being aggressive, but it looks stupid if it goes up there. Now you look like a hero. But other than that, I would probably look for a pullback tomorrow or something like that and then take it down. Gold is shooting up, euro is breaking out, USD fell first before other pairs. Aussie dollar spiking, wow, see euro USD go crazy. Did market price in already? That's what I need to find answers to. Yen pairs are not really moved that much, as much as dollar pairs, but yeah. beating resistance. I'm just okay. Today is just, I don't know, another black day, I guess. The results of the okay. Today wasn't the day. Aussie dollar yen higher, USD yen lower, New Zealand yen higher, Euro yen higher, which is kind of what I hoped, but kind of what I do hoped for. Gold is higher, as you were buying here, and you're looking for 1840 to be the target. USD Swissy is coming down towards the target of 91.70, which I would say would be the target. So that's kind of interesting. And then nat gas is still high. Oil should now go higher and reach target today at target of 982.60. So not too far off. Now it's just half a dollar per barrel left. It's up to 82.60 from 82.10 right now. So yeah, great. Comic Compilation says I was sure on dollar long and it blew my account. Okay, sorry to hear that, but that's not how you trade. That is not how to be a professional trader, and that's not how I would expect you to behave. So yeah, okay. Sorry for your loss, bro, but blowing account on these moves is rather a miracle. So you need help. That's what you need. Either technical analysis or something else would be great. 1400 of course blew through. Now it's pulling back, I guess, to find more buyers. So in my case, I'll also, unless we just break higher just for fun and then we go lower again. But yeah, I took out both of my sells, so all my sells are out on euro as far as I can see. Oh well, okay, good day. This one is also activated 72.30, so we shall see if that still holds. Euro New Zealand is unmoved. USD CAD is now a target for the week, so that's bada bing bada boom there. I didn't have that as a trade plan, but that was a trade plan of the sellers. I was the buyer here, so didn't work out. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's actually more it actually has bigger reaction than I actually anticipated to be honest. I know it can react like 50 pips, which it did, but I hoped it would go lower, and now euro is coming back again. Was it just to tickle 1400? I don't think so. When it breaks, it breaks. So right now in euro, it's a high. So if I'm a seller, I just need to stop. So right now that turns into nothing. Nothing to do, nothing to see, nothing to do. Aussie hasn't made a higher high yet, so that's still bearish. New Zealand dollar is still bearish. Came up to my second sell there. So still bearish, or range bearish. So Aussie and New Zealand is still in check. Euro and GU is now trades I cannot do, and USD CAD I can't trade anymore so far. Peter Thorpe says 6 losses in a row. My account is still fine. If you look at the volume, though, there isn't a lot of volume behind this. Yeah, so if you call this what we call stop hunt, definitely a stop hunt. The question becomes, is this going to continue? Okay. That's the question, and it begs the question: is it going to continue? But as a seller right now, that's a red flag. That's like done. I can't trade that anymore. Yeah, also if it's going to strengthen Xavier, let's say we're going to strengthen, I'm all for it. I'm ready for it. But that is not what I want to see if I'm a seller. But if I look at Aussie, for example, which you just mentioned, I'm still in it. I still have trades on that, right? And as long as that doesn't kick out and go out or break higher, I'm still cool on dollar bullish. Secret Bugs, long time no see. Where have you been? Yeah. Relatively speaking, not a lot of volume right now. Can we buy Euro USD? Yeah, also, by all means, bro. By all means. By all means. You're okay with that. I'm okay with that. But I would probably wait this volatility event out, though, because we hit target already for the day. But if you can pick it up tomorrow or today at 1380, yeah. Be my guest. I'm not going to, though, but be my guest. 1380 or 1390, depending on which market you want, which price you want. But those are great buys. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Xavier. Okay, cool. So right now, for those who are wondering how things is going right now, there's your sell. That is my sell. Stop loss is still up here. My count is, well, I've lost a lot right now, but still alive, still very much alive. Should gold sell? Like, what are you talking about? You talked about buy earlier today or 2 minutes ago, and now you want to sell it? No, that's not a sell at all. It's a resistance, but it hasn't turned around yet. So I wouldn't even imagine selling a range on gold because it could just break higher. But yeah, by all means, have fun with it. You won't get a clear ahead from me, even if you gave me $1 million to sell it. But what I want to see here is, what's the sentiment like? Sentiment like is people are now starting to short euro dollar. Okay. Maybe we need to start picking up some money there so we can go down again. Because right now we're just 50-50. So I think we need a trend more than anything else on euro, so we can get squeezed. Someone squeezed. Should I sell USD yen? We shouldn't do anything. What's your plan, bro? Okay. So let me say it differently though. If you were a seller on USD yen, okay, that is the break lower. Now it's from here, from this point is bearish. There is your sell, there is your sell, there is your sell. Do you sell now? No, you don't. You sell tomorrow. Right now, that is at 815.30 and then lower. There's no guarantee that's going to work out for you, but that's around the price you would look for tomorrow. This price. If that's going to work out, the market will decide. But so far right now, you're selling a lower low. That's probably the worst place to sell. All right. So if I, yeah. So by all means. So what can we do today to make life a bit easier? I think what I would literally do today, I will do something completely different. I have already chopped some wood because, you know, we live in the winter and still need to chop some wood for the wood burner. And I don't know if I'll go to the mall, you know, spend some profits, so that so I can feel good with myself again, and then come back tomorrow and see if there's something. I don't know if there's going to be a daily setup today. Maybe I'm just going to call that off, mostly because there's no trade setups to talk about. But yeah. So right now, just letting the market do what it wants to do, and then I will take it from there. Okay, people. I'm gonna let you go. I'm not gonna draw this one out. I don't have any content right now for you, other than we can start watching funny videos and having fantastic jokes. I have one joke for you though, before I go. What's the cannibal's favorite part of the vegetable? What's the cannibal's favorite part of the vegetable? It's the wheelchair. All right. Have a good day. Hopefully somebody laughed.